Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today we shall be looking at, how do home security cameras work? That's a question you would want to be answered, if you are considering incorporating security cameras into your home security system. And we are set to provide you with some insight into this piece. Before delving into the workings of the security camera you use at home, let's spare some thought. Has it occurred to you that with the rate of technological advancement, coupled with the rise in insecurity worldwide, security is now a big issue? Building plans and designs may soon be considered incomplete without detailed security plans that would include the installation of security cameras. This is the reality of the present times and would become even more glaring with passing time. Many modern houses are currently equipped with all kinds of security devices, which would include the security camera. With all the security loopholes we have unwittingly created, securing our homes and property becomes even more Herculean. Criminals are on the prowl to take advantage of these security lapses. This places greater responsibility for security providers to come out with security devices that would outsmart these criminals. In this video, therefore, we shall examine the general features of the security camera and how it works. This piece of information will put you in a better position to determine the best security camera to deploy for your home security system. Let's get started. Would you need a webcam or a security camera for your home? There are many things to look out for when considering the security of your home. What is really the major difference between the webcam and the conventional security camera? Looking at the webcam. The major distinction between a webcam and the security camera is in their extent of operation. The webcam enables you to watch video real-time feeds on your smartphone with the aid of the internet connection. Some send you an alert of any security breach while others don't. The primary function of the webcam here is that you can view and monitor events in your home. You are left to seek help in case of an emergency by contacting the relevant agency. This means that it will be your responsibility to get in touch with the police, even if a burglar is making an attempt at invading your home. The security function of the webcam is therefore limited. The webcam is more relevant in a home as a security supplement. This is because it can assist you to monitor pets and how things are going at home in your absence. Now let's consider the security camera. The security camera carries out all the operations of the webcam and more. Apart from detecting and recording events in your home, it equally sends you or the emergency monitoring unit alert with which further action can be pursued. The webcam is more of a surveillance camera than a security camera, hence it is not our primary object of discussion here. What are the priority features in a home security camera? We want to get into the specifics of how the home security camera works. In doing this, it is important to look at what we consider the top features that make the home security camera function effectively. They include 1. Motion sensing. Most home security cameras that work through internet connection are wireless. These cameras capture both picture and video images at the slightest detection of movement in your home. This camera notifies you through either SMS or by email anytime footage is available. This can be viewed immediately or later. Some of these cameras have the ability to upload recordings instantly for cloud safekeeping. You can also watch events in real time, otherwise known as streaming. The wireless type security camera was not enthusiastically embraced when it initially came into place. This is because its operation was regarded as too technical and sophisticated for most users of the security camera. This attitude has changed in recent times owing to the obvious advantages that have come with the wireless camera. With this wireless security device, you can view both photo and video footage from your smartphone or a computer set that is connected to the web. You can have such access irrespective of your location around the world. Because it is wireless, or better put, wire-free, you can easily install it yourself. Another benefit of this wireless security camera is its portable and unobtrusive build. They can be connected to the Wi-Fi or internet network in your home and can be placed anywhere you consider it needed. You do not need to run wires to install it, and some are even operated by batteries. These last two mentioned features are why the camera is otherwise referred to as a wire-free camera. Whereas the Wi-Fi connected network camera provides more convenience in usage, the wired camera is faster with a more reliable network connection. 2. Quality of image. The wireless security camera is in two categories. Some are consumer-grade while others are commercial-graded. The consumer-graded security cameras would serve well for casual surveillance of your home. Even when your wireless camera is for casual monitoring of your home, you would still want to have quality picture images. The images should at least be clear enough for you to identify an intruder. These two categories of the wireless camera look similar in appearance but are distinct in their functionality. The commercial-grade ones are built and designed for optimum and high performance. The consumer-grade wireless security camera is designed to work with good illumination. Where the lighting is low, the quality of the video pictures is usually affected. This no doubt limits the operational ability of the consumer-grade camera. They do not have video sensors that are as large as the ones found in commercial-grade cameras. Some components that adapt to low light levels were not used for this class of security cameras. Commercial-grade security cameras come with certain special features on light handling. They operate through an electronic solution known as HDR, a combination of hardware and software programs. This HDR or high dynamic range solution combines images to produce a better exposed integrated image which will be quite clear. HDR is presently a basic feature of most commercial-grade cameras. Another technology used by many commercial cameras is a form of night vision called infrared illuminators or IR. These illuminators automatically adjust their level of brightness to the environment. This smart IR feature tries to match the infrared light from the camera to the environment. In this process, the full details of the subject are well exposed. 3. Remote access. Your ability to monitor and view events from the footage of your camera remotely is a very important feature in any security camera. This feature enables you to gain access to the security camera through your smartphone when you are not at home to use your home computer. With the security app on your smartphone, you can get different kinds of alerts, whether email or SMS, depending on your setting. These alerts are sent to your smartphone when your security camera is triggered off at home. Some of these security cameras also have the capacity of storing your recorded video footage. Some do this on an SD card or any other external storage device working with your security camera. Some more recent models would save them remotely by cloud storage. In this way your video recordings are not only stored for you to watch later, they become part of your stored records. 4. Connectivity and power source. Most self-installed security cameras these days operate with the Wi-Fi network in the home. For such a camera to function properly, however, you must be sure of network connectivity within your home range. Network signal has to be strong and consistent within your home location to avoid intermittent disruptions and network failures. There are some security cameras that leverage over an available cellular network with the help of a 3G or 4G internal modem. This modem will require a SIM card with data that is usually purchased outside the security camera package. A number of security cameras get powered with the help of an adapter that is plugged into a power source. The implication of this is that there has to be a power outlet or extension cord near where you place the camera. Finally, many more security cameras now operate with replaceable or rechargeable batteries. This means that the camera can be moved or placed at any location without restrictions. We have already referred to this as one of the features of a truly wire-free camera. This is where we would end part 1 of this series. Stay tuned for part 2. We hope you have found the content we have provided you informative. Kindly click the subscribe button and turn the notification icon on, that way you're in the know whenever we post a new video. In the video description below, there's more information on how to purchase any of the devices we have discussed from Amazon. Visit our website, www.zimhomesecurity.com for more content like this.